process. Within 10-15 minutes you can prepare the recipe, we can prepare the dish. And we mashed the complete potato. Now it's ready. It's completely done. Now we have to add some ingredients into this. Our very delicious ingredients. We are adding onion, we are adding curry leaves, we are adding carrot, and remaining all garam masala, zira powder, salt, all the natural ingredients what is available in our home. We can prepare the dish with these ingredients. We mashed the potato. Now we are adding onions to that. Completely raw onions. Chop the onions into small pieces so you can add them. And green chilli, if you want more spicy, you can add more. If you are serving to the kids, you can add little green chilli. Curry leaves, we chopped even curry leaves because a big curry leaf, it is difficult to eat. Most of the people will take out the leaf and will put it aside. So we chopped the curry leaves, easy to eat. And now chopped carrot, we're adding to this. All nutritious, you have carbohydrates in this, you have vitamin A, you have protein, all combination. We are adding chili powder and I am adding Kashmiri paprika powder. Instead of this, at your home you can add even chili powder. Already you added chilies, so for the color, for the taste you can add little bit because already we added green chilies. It will be very spicy. And little bit ginger garlic paste, our Indian traditional paste, very yummy it looks and it tastes very good. Ginger garlic paste little bit. And this is for digestion actually, and also it gives taste and spiciness. This is ajwain. Little bit I am adding. You can add even jeera powder. Today I am not adding it. And garam masala, little bit. Gives completely Indian taste. And finally salt as required. Now you need to mix this complete mixture properly. The mixture is ready. Now what we have to do is, we need some batter. We can prepare with maida and refined flour, but most of the people they are not using maida. So we added basin flour and refined flour plus corn flour, and we added a little bit salt and chili powder to this. Now the batter is ready. See the consistency. This has to be the consistency. Now let us take this mixture. This mixture, we added egg to this. Now we need to cover it completely with this. Now make it like a ball. Dip this into this. We have to dip it. Now this mixture is completely dipped in the batter wonderfully. Now it's ready to fry. Before that, now I roll this mixture with the breadcrumbs. Now it's ready. So we have to dip this. We added 2 eggs to this. Now we have to wait until the color changes. It has to be golden brown in color. Slowly it is changing the color. Now the wonderful dish is ready. presentation also very much important. Most of the kids, they love to eat the food only when the presentation is good. So we added little bit tomato ketchup here, tomato sauce, and we cut the ball into center. You can see the egg yolk, egg, and the mixture what we added to this. Here you have potato, carrot, egg, and all the remaining ingredients. You have carbohydrates, you have proteins, and you have vitamins. Very rich nutrients. You can serve this to all the kids at evening 3 o'clock as a snack. Thank you from Southern Educational Institutions. Now it is tasting time. Let us see and let me tell you what is the real taste. I am adding little bit tomato sauce. Most of the kids like this. Very nice and very tasty.